So I bought this little compressor, Kensun, off Amazon, and it does, you can plug it into the wall or you could plug it into your car. So either way. So I bought it because I want to pump up the tires on my bicycle, and my Craftsman, the valve stem thing, doesn't work too easy. So we're going to give this a shot right now and see how it works. All right, let's see here. If I can get a picture. Take off the cover here. Tire's flat. Flat. So we're just going to hook this on here, latch it, and let's go. Wow, quick and easy. Maybe get a little more in there. That's it. Wow, super easy. That quick. My Craftsman, way more work. And getting that valve stem on there is easy. On the Craftsman, it's very hard. So I'm digging this thing. Tires are pumped up, ready to go. That's it. I'm digging it. Quick and easy. So this is the Kensun. It also has a PSI meter on here. For the bicycle tires said 40 PSI. I did about 35. 40 seemed like it might blow the tires out. So you can plug it into the wall. You can plug it into your car. And I love this valve stem. Hooks right on the tire. And then you just latch it right down. Put it on the tire, latch it on, pump up the tires. Real easy. Really impressed with this thing. As always, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.